So once again we are here with a new unboxing. Now this time it's a Citizen watch, and this is the Citizen Tsuyosa series. So I have taken a newer version. So this is a new color series that they launched. They have a previous series also, initially at the beginning when they launched. So this is the yellow one. So we'll talk about this yellow one later on. Let's focus on this. So this is part of NJ0151 series. So they have the numbers like 015, 0151 and so on. So these are mechanical watches with a 8210 caliber and called Citizen Tsuyosa. So let's see what is there in the box, and then we'll go ahead for a detailed review of the watch. So if you open it, we need to remove it. So the usual stuff. So there's a card which says instruction manual, and there's the international guarantee card. That's all, nothing much in here. So we will just keep it aside and go for the watch. Here with the watch, the blue dial is not plain blue. It has on the sides towards the dial or towards the R markers, it is blackish, and then gradually it is a bit dim on the center, at the center, and this is how it gives a very good look. It's a shady kind of print. Okay, otherwise it says Citizen automatic, and it has a Cyclops date window which magnifies the date. It has a beautiful 40 mm dial, which is ideal for a classy dress watch, and has a integrated presidential bracelet. So the lug width is just 9.1 millimeter because it is like hung up at the center essentially, and it has a fold over clasp with push buttons. So here if you push it, it will open. If you just have a look at it, the exact number, in India it says NJ0151-88X and caliber 8210. So the price is 34,900 rupees. That is the maximum retail price. And as I said, this is 40 mm dial and essentially polished dial, which looks very shiny and very interesting. The bracelet is brushed and polished. So the mid links are polished and the side links are brushed. It has a see-through case back. And automatic movement, and Tsuyosa in Japanese means power, so this one signifies power, and I must say it's a very beautiful color, and this is also called a Rolex Oyster Perpetual Killer, or a kind of design like PRX, Now we are not getting to debate that whether it is going to replace the Oyster Perpetual or PRX or like who has copied whom. But overall, it's a very nice, good looking watch. It has a sunburst dial also. See, in around 40 hours power reserve. And with a workhorse movement 8210 by Citizen. Okay, and let's check out the back. Okay, before that I'll show you the previous one. In the same series, this was one of the first watches that they launched, and I like this most because this yellow color is really excellent. So it looks like almost the color of the egg yellow, but in the sun it shines very bright. It looks very nice. uh, you can't go wrong with this color for sure. For example, with this color, along with this, they have a Tiffany color, they have black color, they have a camouflage color, and so on. So many other colors are also there, and both of them are part of the same series. If you look at both of these side by side, this is how they look like. The weight of the watch is 138 grams and thickness is just 11.7 mm. The lug is 45, or actually if you are looking at the real lug to lug, it is 49.5. So everything is fine. The watch is very nice and right sized, looks very nice on the wrist also. The only downside which I feel is the placement of the crown. It is placed at 4 p.m. but or at 1600 hours or 400 hours, but it is like a bit inserted too much inside the case, so it is difficult to wind the watch. But I think with just around 40 hours of power reserve, one can like either keep wearing it or wind it with some pain. That is okay, manageable. Otherwise, Citizen could have done something better. But again, there are pros and cons of making the crown bigger at this location also. So I've opened up the yellow one, and this is how the movement looks like from the see-through case back. It says Japan movement, water resistant up to 50 bar, stainless steel. It has sapphire crystal, and like in gold finish, it has a very interesting looking movement. Citizen is known for like mastering the art of making watches since like ages. So very nice looking see-through case back also. So the sapphire crystal like makes it again sturdy and scratch resistant to the maximum possible limit. It has 3 micro adjustment slots, which is good to adjust when like times of need. Now let's try it out on the wrist and see how does it look like. So here we are. The size is perfect. So for reference, my wrist is 7.25 inch, and this fits perfectly and looks Very nice. So if we go for a wrist roll, so this is how it will look like. Although the gaps in the bracelet accumulate some dust, but it is still fine. You can clean it periodically. Overall, a very right size, right color, right price. So all the right clicks or all the right ticks by Citizen. So let's check out the Lume shot and see how does it perform in that front. So this is how the Lume looks like. The Lume is there on the seconds hand and the minutes hand, and sorry, on the hour hand and the minute hand, and not on the second hand. And it is completely green and white as it looks like. Basically it is all green or fluorescent, but it appears to be white and green. So when you look at it from your eyes, it is green only. So very good Lume for sure. See, all the R markers are loomed. So this is how we are here with the Citizen Tsuyosa or Power. So if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share so that I keep sharing more videos like this and to help you take better decisions while buying your next timepiece.